In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update CapCut PC on Windows. Keeping CapCut up to date gives you the latest features, performance improvements, and bug fixes, so it's worth checking regularly. I'll walk you through exactly where to look and what to expect, so you can confirm your app is current in just a few clicks. First, open your CapCut on your Windows computer. Give it a moment to load your home screen. You don't need to open any project for this. We'll stay right on the main interface. Now head over to the menu. Depending on your version and window size, this is usually at the top right of the app, often shown as 3 horizontal lines or a small profile or settings icon. Click it to open the application options. If your window is very narrow, you may see fewer labels and more icons, so enlarging the window can make the menu label easier to spot. Inside the menu, look for the option labeled More and click it. This expands additional items that aren't visible in the main list. The More section is where CapCut groups advanced options, including app information and maintenance details that relate to updates. From there, click Version. This takes you to the version page or panel where CapCut displays your current build number and the update status. This is the hub for confirming whether you're on the latest release. When you land here, CapCut typically checks your version automatically and compares it to the newest available release on the server. If you're already up to date, you'll usually see a message indicating that you have the latest version. If an update is available, this page will make that clear and may present details like release notes or the new version number, so you know what's changing. A couple of quick tips as you check. A stable internet connection helps CapCut verify your version quickly, and keeping the app open on this page for a moment allows the check to complete without interruption. If the version panel takes a few seconds to load information, that's normal. Also, because the interface can vary slightly by region or by a recent redesign, the wording might be slightly different, but the version area will always show your current build and the update status. That's all there is to it. By opening CapCut, heading to the menu, clicking More and then Version, you can confirm whether you're on the latest CapCut for Windows and stay ready for new features and improvements. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with an updated CapCut.